11th question in solid state. In calcium fluoride having fluoride structure, the coordination number for calcium ion and fluoride ion are in calcium fluoride having fluoride structure, the coordination number for calcium ion and fluoride ion are A 4 and 2, B 6 and 6, C 8 and 4, D 4 and 8. Okay, calcium fluoride having fluoride structure. In calcium fluoride, calcium ion has a FCC structure. Calcium ion has a FCC structure. FCC structure. That means calcium ion present at the corner of the cube as well as the center of the 6 faces. Face center. Okay. Ready? Corner. This is calcium ion as well as the center of the 6 faces. Okay, center of the 6 faces, 8 corners as well as the 6 faces, center of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is calcium ion. Whereas fluoride ion present in tetrahedral mode. In FCC structure there are 8 tetrahedral modes. Okay, in this cube there is a 2 tetrahedral mode. In this cube, 2 tetrahedral. So totally 8 tetrahedral holes. Okay. Each calcium ion coordinated to the 8 fluoride ion. Here fluoride ion, the next unit cell is coordinated to the 4 fluoride ion. Okay. So each calcium ion coordinated to the 8 fluoride ion. Similarly, each fluoride ion is coordinated to the 4 calcium ion. Okay, that is 1, okay, 2, 3, 4. Each calcium ion, fluoride ion coordinated to the 4 calcium ion. Each calcium ion coordinated to the 8 fluoride ion. Each fluoride ion coordinated to the 4 calcium ion. Okay. So the coordination number is for calcium ion is what's calcium ion? 8, fluoride ion 4. So option C. Okay. Next. Next one, question. Lithium has BCC structure. Density, its density is 530 kilogram per meter cube. Atomic mass of lithium 6.94 gram mole inverse. Calculate edge length of the edge length means A. Yeah, edge length of the unit cell. Edge length of the unit cell of lithium metal. Given Avogadro number 6.02 10 to the power 23 mole. Option A 527 picometer, B 264 picometer, C 154 picometer, D 352 picometer. Lithium has a BCC structure, density value given, atomic mass value given, calculate ethyl length of the unit cell of the lithium metal. Okay. For BCC, we know for BCC, number of atom present per unit cell is 2, BCC. Okay. Density value, what is the density? Density 530 kilogram per meter cube. Converted into gram per cc, 530 into 1000 gram divided by, and we know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, 100 centimeter whole cube. That's equal to 530 into 1000 gram divided by 10 to the power of 6. Okay, 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. You get 10 square. So 53 by 100, 0.53 gram centimeter minus the density value. We get 0.53 gram per centimeter. Okay. Atomic mass of lithium is, atomic mass, what's the value? 6.94 gram molar. Available number we know. Okay. So, density formula D equal to Z into atomic mass divided by Avogadro number into unit cell edge length. Yeah. A to the power of Q. We have to find A cube. So, A cube equal to Z into atomic mass by Avogadro number into density. For BCC, that value is 2. Atomic mass 6.94. Avogadro number 6.02 is 10 to the power of 23. Density value, what is the density value? 0.53 gram centimeter. Simplifying, we get simplifying, we get A cube equal to 43.5 10 to the power of minus 24 centimeter cube. So taking root, A we get 3.52 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. If you convert it into meter, into 10 power minus 2. So, A value 3.52 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. If you convert it to picometer into 100, so 352 divided by 100. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 12 meter or 352 picometer. Option D. Okay. 13th question. The correct statement regarding different crystalline solid. A. Frankel effect decreases density of the crystalline solid. Wrong. Frankel effect, ion occupies an interstitial position. Okay. So there is no missing of the ion. So density does not decrease. The wrong statement. B. Frankel effect is dislocation defect. Correct. C. Frankel effect is found in halides of alkaline metal. Wrong. Shorting effect only found in alkaline metal halides. D. Shorting effect have no effect on the density of the crystalline solid. Wrong. In shorting effect, density of the crystal decreases. Next question, 14th one. 14th question. A metal has FCC lattice. The edge length of the unit cell, A value given, 404 picometer. Edge length is given. Okay. The density of the metal, D, density given, 2.72 gram centimeter minus 3. The molar mass of the metal. Molar mass of the metal is given Avogadro number 6.02 10 to the power of 23 molar. So option A 27 gram mole inverse, B 20 gram mole inverse, C 40 gram mole inverse, D 30 gram mole inverse. Here what is FCC that is unit cell, edge length, unit cell, edge length value given 404 picometer, density value given, molar mass of the metal. Okay. For FCC, number of atom present per unit cell, that value is 4. Okay. A 404 picometer, that is 404 into 10 to the power of minus 12 meter. Okay. Divided by 100, we get 4.04. Multiply this value by 100, so 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. If converted to centimeter, we know 1 meter equal to 10 to the power 1 meter equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 10 square centimeter. So 4.04 into 10 to the power of minus 10 into 10 power of minus 2, 10 power of minus 8 meter, A value. Density 2.72 gram centimeter minus 3. Since density given in gram per centimeter cube, we have to convert unit cell edge length also in centimeter. Also in centimeter. Okay. The molar mass, M value. You know the formula, density equal to that into molar mass by Avogadro number into A cube. Okay. So A cube equal to, you have molar mass. Okay. So M equal to density into Avogadro number into A cube by that. D value 2.72, Avogadro number 6.02 10 to the power of 23. A value 4.04 10 to the power of minus 8 to the whole cube divided by that value 4. Simplifying. Okay. Where? Exact. Okay. Simplifying, we get 26.99 molar mass. Gram mole impact. So option D. Option A. Option A. Okay. 15th question. Next question. 15.1. The number of octahedral wires per atom present in a cubic close packed structure is A1, B3, C2, D4. The number of octahedral wires per atom present in a cubic close packed structure. You know, number of octahedral wires per atom present in a cubic close packed structure is equal to number of atoms present in a cubic close packed structure. The number of octahedral wires is equal to number of atoms, okay, present in cubic close packed structure. Number of atoms present in a cubic close packed structure is 4. Number of atoms 4. So number of octahedral wires also 4. So number of octahedral wires also 4. Option D. Suppose if the question is asked number of what is the how many number of tetrahedroids present? That is equal to 2 into number of atoms present in a CCP, that is 2 into 4, 8. Okay. What is answer? 4. Number of octahedroids is equal to 4. Okay. Thank you.